Okay, you better do it.
We stand up. Making these. Open the present.
Well, who's this one?
Sharon.
Kiki.
You guys are
Yeah,
all
man.
at once, okay?
Everybody
Maya.
open.
Okay,
Oh,
we're gonna
man.
do this right
Where's
now.
my camera?
Me, present.
Okay, ready?
Oh, this is
Go.
Steady, go. Yep.
Gostle.
Trash bags.
No, the boxes are different.
Just kidding.
It'll be okay.
What's in there?
Gostle.
What's in there, Devin? That, ooh, I wonder what that is. That looks exciting.
Seriously.
What is that, baby?
Is that pee?
Wow.
Hey, your Uncle Jack worked on that all night. You need to unwrap
What?
it at least. See.
What did you get?
What'd you get, Maya? Isn't it awesome? I know how much you love bananas.
Kiara, what'd you
You
get?
gotta put your monkey blanket on, so I got it for you.
Don't, what's not?
What'd you get, Kiara? Do you kind of twingy
Coffee!
We know how much you love coffee. And what's in there? What?
You're not happy?
What's in
You guys aren't happy?
I know how much you love pine cones. Are you kidding me? You get it.
If Uncle Jack made this, you don't want to use it as a...
No. We are
I
your
know how much
job or
you love the
nothing.
color yellow.
Yeah. Take a drink, Devin.
You guys don't like my skin, really?
Now drink it.
I thought so hard on this. Look at this. Oh, it's broken.
Needs batteries.
Dude, this is a real banana.
That's a real banana.
Alright, this
Dude.
you guys is weird.
This is weird.
This is the weirdest Christmas ever.
Are you all happy?
Alright. All your gifts went to donation.
Yep. This year?
Yep.
Oh, crap.
Seriously. No. Seriously.
You better
guys.
take care of them toys. If you don't have them next year, you're not.
Yeah, what are you gonna play with all here?
You can totally
You
play
can
with
have the
that.
pie cone, you can roll it,
You can throw it.
you can throw it,
You can decorate it.
you can trade with your friends for other pie cones.
You put peanut butter on it and roll it in bird's
Oh.
seed.
Yeah. It's the gift that keeps coming. That's
Pie
right.
cone rolls upstairs, or rolls upstairs, or rolls up your neighbor's dog. Great for a snack. If it's on your back, it's fine.
Pine cone.
Pine cone.
You guys are
Well, that's a Merry Christmas. We gotta go to the next. Let's.
Yeah,